Every day we meet different people around us on our way. So, after meeting of some days, we just try to judge them what sort of person he or she is. Then and there, sometimes we do not get any particular and specific word for that person. He is enthusiastic, he is optimistic, she is affectionate, that person is down to earth. So, like this, there are so many different words that we can use to describe a person, or these are the qualities that the person possesses. So, sometimes it is very difficult to find out which one is the appropriate word for this particular person and his or her qualities. So in this video I am going to help you how you will describe your friends and your near and dear ones with some specific words. Hi everyone, I am Kadambini and you are watching Kadambini Srishti. So let us begin. Number 1, generous. He is generous. That means he is a person who is always ready to give something more, especially money. So my friend is generous. Means we can say bada dil bala, who is always ready to give anything and spare anything and everything for his or her near or dear ones, or maybe some other person. So that person is known as generous. Then number 2, extroverted. He is an extroverted person. That means he is very lively, confident and engages people around him or her. So then we say that this person is extroverted. And its opposite, who loves to be alone and never wants to talk to anyone, then we can say that this person is introverted. He is an introverted person. That means he never talks to anyone, always likes to remain silent. And next one is quiet. Quiet means the same, who never wants to talk to anybody. Its opposite, if we say that this person always talks and talks and talks with so many people, those who are around him or her, then we can say that this girl is very, very talkative. Generally, it is said that girls are talkative by nature. And next one is shy. Shy, what does it mean? Who is nervous about meeting people and talking people, then we can say he is very shy or he is shy in nature. Next one is confident. Confident means feeling sure about your ability to do something and to get success. That means he is a confident person. Means having the ability to feel that yes, I can do this. Then we can say that this man is confident. Another one, trustworthy. Trustworthy means upon whom we can rely. Trustworthy means honest. Also truthful. And its opposite, if someone is not trustworthy or not honesty, then we can say he is untrustworthy. That man is untrustworthy. That means we can't rely on that person. He can change his words. He may not behave as he looks and says. Then we can say he is untrustworthy. There are so many people around us who always loves to find positiveness in anything that comes before them. Then we can say that this man is very positive. He is a positive man. And if we go to a higher level of positivity, then we can say that this man is optimistic. Optimistic means who always finds the positive signs of anything that happens or anyone who is before you. Optimistic, we can say that these people, they think that this is the best world that we can have, and besides that there is no best thing. So they are the optimistic persons, those who think that this is the best of all that is happening in this world. Its opposite, we can say the person who never finds anything positive, always try to find out the negativity, then we can say that he is a negative person. And if more than that type of negativity, then the opposite of optimistic is pessimistic, who never finds anything positive in any action, in any person, or in any situation, always just eager to find out the negativity, then that man is a pessimistic person. So the pessimistic persons, they think that there is nothing positive in this world. It would have been much better if these things have not happened with us. Another word is down to earth. A person who is very practical, very realistic, whatever may be his or her position, he always behaves in the same way. Then we can say that this man is down to earth. Whatever height he or she may reach, but his behavior never changes, then we can say that this man is down to earth. There are so many people who always thinks that they are the only important person here, and all others, those who are around him, they are not at all important. Then we can say that this man is pompous. Pompous means he only is important, all other things has no meaning to him. So then the person is known as pompous. Next one is narcissist. So who is a narcissist? One who always praises himself, admires himself, and thinks I am the best person and everyone should praise me. Then we can say that he is a narcissist. There are so many people, those who always shows fondness with others, loves people, those who are around them. Then we call them affectionate. He is affectionate person. My mother is affectionate. Next one is aggressive. Aggressive means always reactive, ready to attack. Who is ready to attack any situation? Then we can say that this man, this boy is aggressive. Why are you having such aggressive mood always? Next word is ambitious, means showing strong desire for success and determination to get something at any cost. Then we call him as ambitious. But sometimes it happens that there are so many people who become very determined to do something, but that is not practical. That means that is not at all possible. Then we call them as over ambitious, means they just set goal which is not at all practical for their situation. So they are known as over ambitious. Next word, very much strong, means stubborn, never moved by anyone else. Whatever may be the situation, what he or she says, that's final. What may come in her way or his way, he will never move. That is known as stubborn. So these days, the children, they are stubborn and they never want to listen to their parents. So that is known as stubborn. Some people, those who always wants to make happy the people around them, then we can call them witty or funny. Witty or funny means wants to make happy the people around them. There is a word grumpy. Grumpy means bad tempered, ill tempered, or one who gets angry quickly. Then we call them as grumpy. That boy is grumpy, who gets angry quickly. Then we call them grumpy. We have a word known as impulsive. My friend is impulsive. Impulsive means who just takes decision without thinking. Without thinking, what will happen if I will take this step forward? So that persons or such persons, we call them as impulsive. When we go to market, the ladies become impulsive, means they just buy whatever they just see there without thinking whether it is really essential or not. It's opposite. If someone always thinks before doing anything, then we can say this lady is cautious. this student is cautious, means they just think so many times before taking any step forward. So that is cautious. In this world, we also have so many people, those who love to give pain. Yes, my dear viewers, there are people, those who give pain and they get happiness out of that. And such type of people are known as sadist. Sadist means they always just makes themselves ready to give pain to others. Also, we have so many people who never believes anyone, maybe his brother, sister, friend, or mother, or father also. So such type of people are known as cynical. Cynical, one who never believes anyone, is known as cynical. So many people around us, those who can take quick decisions. So when some situation will come to them, they can suddenly decide what should they do and what should not they do. Such type of people are known as decisive. Decisive. Its opposite, indecisive. Indecisive means one who takes a lot of time to decide what to do and what not to do. So such people are known as indecisive. Decisive and indecisive. You have heard about revolution. Revolution means there are so many people, those who bring this revolution, means they are just ready to bring any change. Mind here change means positive change. They are ready to bring positive change at any cost. So such people are known as radical. Radical. Next one is enthusiastic. Someone who is interested to know what you do and just gets happiness or pleasure out of that. So that type of persons, they are known as enthusiastic. Also, we have so many people, those who are very much fearful. They can't handle any difficult situation, very weak they are from inner side, and they can't just handle any fearful situation. So such type of people are known as wimp. Wimp. We can say this child is wimp in nature. Now it is time to discuss the last word. Here the last word is visionary, means having some future planning. So this man is visionary in nature or by nature. So let us wind up our class with this vision that the year 2021 will bring something good for us and we will enjoy all the happiness of the world will be sprinkled on us and we will live a good life. So after watching this video, I hope now you can judge the people, those who are around you, and you can just give the adjective that is appropriate for the person concerned. So I hope it is useful and knowledgeable. If yes, then quickly write down a comment in the comment section, the person whom you want to give the particular word that I explained just now. Now it is time for thought of the day. So today's thought is, so knowledge when stored in when and when shared in gain. So when we get knowledge, we should share it instead of storing. Then we will get benefit out of it. So stay healthy, stay blessed. I will be right back with another new video for you. Till then, happy watching.